Welcome. My name is Benson Juarez, and congratulations on getting your Privy account started. Now, there's three main things you want to do to make sure you're getting the most out of your Privy account. The very first thing you're going to want to do is to fill out your profile. The next thing is you want to add your clients. You want to get at least 10 clients in the system so you can start setting up and saving searches, which is the third step. So I'm going to walk you through every step along the way. That way you can get into the system and start taking advantage of it right away. So let me show you how to set up your profile. So over here on the left-hand side of the screen, there's a navigation menu. You're going to click profile. Now my profile is basically already set up. So we'll use this as an example of what you could do on your profile because the goal here is to display this information in front of investors while they're using Privy. And if you check this box down here at the bottom, it says, yes, I want to receive investor leads. That's what will allow your profile to be displayed in your target market, the market that you are licensed in. It will show your profile along with other agents in that market. So you have to think about, what can I do to make my profile stick out? So you want to use a nice professional photo, and you're going to want to put your information here. So your first name, last name, your email, your phone number. You want them to have the ability to contact you. Your MLS market will already be selected. And then right here is where you're going to put your MLS ID. Again, that will already be displayed because you would have entered it when you first registered. Below that, put in a summary. So this is a basic bio. Put information about what your specialty is, what markets you concentrate on. If there's anything else that you think that will raise you above other potential agents they might be considering working with besides you. Now, these are the required fields that have to be filled out. Anything that has the red. Anything below here that doesn't have the red are optional, but I would highly recommend that you fill out this completely because the more information you put in here, the more trustworthy you're going to be, the more information they can look at to go and do research. There's a good chance they're going to do a quick Google search to see, who you are, see if you got any content out there. So put your socials in here, your website, the areas you like to work in, the name of your brokerage, what your title is, your brokerage address, and then you can upload a logo that could be your master brokerage or a logo that you use to identify yourself in the community. And then lastly, there's another area right here where you can put in more information about what you do and how you can help them make money in real estate investing. Now, again, make sure you check this box when you're ready for your profile to be displayed in front of investors. If you're just collecting information and you're not ready to display it yet, just keep this unchecked. But as soon as you check it and you click save, then this will give you the ability to show that profile to investors while they're using Privy. So I highly recommend that you fill this out completely. The goal is here to set yourself apart from the competition and try to earn the business from the people that are using our system.